I started law school thinking that the only thing lawyers did was try cases. I watched Perry Mason in the 1950s. I was born in the 1940s. So my television fare in the 1950s was Perry Mason. So I knew what lawyers did. They go to court. My degree is in economics. I was in a master's degree, a program in econometric theory when I met my wife and couldn't explain to her what an economist did. And so Brigham Young University started a brand new law school that after I graduated, my wife talked me into being in that charter class, and I became a lawyer. Well, I had an economics background. I had written a workbook that BYU used in its MBA program to teach economics, microeconomics, to MBA students. So I did business law, and I wanted to go to the courtroom. So since I've begun my practice, the only thing I have done is business cases, commercial cases, cases that involve experts like economists and accountants, because I know that those disciplines, and a witness cannot run away from me on the witness stand. If they color outside the lines, I'm going to know it. And so it's commercial cases that typically involve accountants. They typically involve economists. If we're talking about future profits in a business that was put out of business, then we're doing net present discount calculations, all of which I know how to do. But I also have my experts make sure that they have airtight opinions, using, for example, geometric means instead of arithmetic means to do discount calculations, which are far more accurate. So I do commercial cases. That's one major sector of what I do. The other thing that I do is aviation work. The reason that I got into that is because I am a commercially rated pilot. I have a commercial pilot's license. I own my own airplane. I've flown all over the United States, to Canada, to Mexico. I use the plane in my practice because it's cheaper, less expensive, and my computer equipment is safer. And naturally, knowing the federal air regulations, I have a leg up on lawyers who have to start from scratch, and they don't know what the FARs are, or what a PMA part is, or the regulations that attend this most regulated of all industries. So those are my two areas of practice: commercial work and aviation work.